Welcome to episode 42 of DG's Happy Place. As you can see, we got a really fun new logo that we are really excited to roll out. But let's get straight into business and talk about how we kicked off August with a cruise to Fremont CDJR. Let's go straight there.
Hey, my name's Alex, and today we're at the DG dealership here in Newark. We have the Bay Area Classic Mopar Cruise happening today. So a bunch of us who have some Dodge and Plymouth muscle cars up until 1974. We usually meet 3 or 4 times throughout the year. Meet somewhere in San Jose, and we cruise to our destination. And you know, for the most part, car shows are fun, but for us, we like driving our cars. So it's more fun for us. Like today, we actually get to drive and enjoy it rather than just be at a car show. So it's something different, something fun to enjoy, and it's a great event.
That same weekend, we were at Capital Chevrolet for Chevy's Open House, where we were displaying the new all-star lineup, which include the Bolt, the Silverado, and the Blazer. Each car had a walk around so that we could educate our guests on some of the cool new features that these cars and trucks have. And of course, there was raffle prizes and barbecue for some food, and you even got to take some of those cars on test drives. If you haven't already heard, the all-new Ford Explorer ST has hit the lot, so of course we're taking it off the lot because we were so excited to get behind the wheel of this new sportier Explorer. We are off the lot with the first ever 2020 Ford Explorer ST.
This is the first truly performance-oriented Explorer Ford has ever built. The 2020 Explorer includes quite a few features that set it apart from the rest of the Explorer line, including this gloss black front fascia with ST badging.
As well as this Explorer is equipped with ST Street Pack, which includes 21-inch wheels. Moving to the back of the car, there's a couple more features we want to tell you about, like the quad exhaust tips and the hands-free liftgate, which is very convenient.
And once you're in here, there is an awesome feature on the side here. The power third row not only goes down, but also comes back up.
So we are ready to take this for a spin. Nick, you're gonna sit back here, and we're gonna take it off the lot.
First of all, twin turbo V6, 400 horsepower, 415 foot-pounds of torque, and it has a really awesome sport mode that makes this thing feel super quick. And there's also a tow and haul mode.
And it can tow up to 5,600 pounds. So you're totally good to go to tow your boat, your horses, whatever you got.
But who needs to tow when you can do this? The throttle response is awesome, especially in sport mode. It has a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's always in the right gear coming out of corners. So that's the 2020 Ford Explorer ST. We learned that it's a way faster version of Ford's new Explorer and really fun to drive.
So if you guys want to take this car out for a test drive yourself, you can do so by contacting us at Capital Ford, proud member of DG.com. We're gonna go back to the studio. I don't know what happened between January and August, but we're already ready to talk about the events happening in September. Starting on September 15th with the Almaden Art and Wine Festival, you will see Capital Hyundai and Capital Chevrolet there, and we will also be offering a shuttle service from the parking lot to Almaden Lake Park. So that way you don't have to walk, and you can just go and get your wine and have a good time. Some of DG's top EVs will be available to test drive at the National Drive Electric Week test drive event in Palo Alto on Sunday, September 22nd. DG Does Good has a new partnership with Breathe California, which was formerly the American Lung Association. They'll be hosting an EV ride and drive event at Lake Cunningham Park, so you can come test drive even more DG EVs. That will happen on Saturday, September 28th. That wraps up episode 42 of DG Happy Place. We'll see you next month. Yeah. All right, ready? Bye.
Bye.